Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you all are good and having a great weekend. So today we're starting fourth session and topic is area of trapezium. Guys, before we start, I have to say that if anyone is new, go check my sessions that I made before so that you can learn more. And one more thing I have to say that please I need your love and support that so that I could make more videos. So guys, moving on to the topic. First, let's learn the formula. Formula is base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 multiplied by height. So we have three shapes and first let's do this shape. So guys, let's find out the bases. How to find out bases? It's simple. The base is always parallel to each other. So look, the 8 and 4 are parallel to each other. So in formula they are saying that base 1 plus base 2. So we are going to plus 4 and 8. It will give us 12 and then we are going to divide by 2. When we will divide it will give us 6 and then multiply by height. This is our height and then 6 multiplied by 2 will give us 12. So guys, our first answer is 12 centimeters square. And moving on to the second shape, guys, this is very simple and I hope you will understand it very easily. So in this we have to do the same thing, just put on the formula. Base 1 plus base 2. These are the two bases because these are parallel to each other. Now 4.4 plus 5.6. Let me do on the calculator so that it could be quick. Alright, it gives us 10 when we add these two. It gives us 10. Then when we divide, it is 5 and then 5 we have to multiply 5 with 3.2. It gives us 16. So our second answer is 16 centimeters square. Guys, this topic is mostly related on formula. Now the last question. In the last question, I know you are going to be confused because you will think that there is another base, but you don't have to do anything with this base because these are parallel. Check according to the formula and then do the question. So we have to add these two. Let me add them and then alright, it gives us 19.2 and then we are going to divide by 2. It is 9.6 and then 9.6 multiplied by 6.5. Alright, our answer is 62.4. So guys, before I end, I want to tell you because many people are confused in this formula because some people ask that can we read the formula like this, base 1 plus base 2 multiplied by height by 2. Guys, don't read like this because I know I have also done like this. Some questions got right but some got wrong. So I will advise you that do this way that I told you before. Base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 multiplied by height. Because this is the best way and you will find it easy. So guys, this was for today's session. I hope you enjoyed and make sure to like and subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.